guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be getting ready for school. Okay, so I already brushed my teeth and washed my face, and I also added moisturizer, which is really important for your makeup. Okay, so let's add this on. Oh my gosh, some already got on my finger. If I look that way, it's because my vanity mirror is right there. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on. I need a little bit more. It's not coming out. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I finally got some out. I'm gonna add it on my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some concealer. This is the one I use. You can see it. That's the one I use. I'm gonna just add some under my eye. I don't add like too much, just because I don't want my makeup to be too heavy today. But I'm gonna add it like right here. See, my skin is always like dry right here. It's so annoying. And then some on my forehead, on my nose. Okay, so now let's blend that all out. If I would think that it is your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. Everything's blended out. I would add some cream contour next, but I low-key ran out, so we're just gonna add blush. Let me get some right here. Trust the process, okay? I know it looked kind of crazy right now, but it will all blend out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the beauty blender to blend it out more. Okay, so next I add this Incognito concealer on my face. It's like a brightening concealer for my under eye. I just add a little bit, and then I add it above my mouth, right here, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my cheek. I let it sit for a couple minutes, and now I'm just blending it out with the beauty blender. Now that that's done, I usually use setting spray before I add my dry products, but I also ran out of that, so we're just gonna kind of skip that. I'm gonna add some blush on my nose too. And my chin. And I'm gonna blend it all out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this powder to like bronze my face. So I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I promise you it's gonna blend out some more. So let's just blend it out right here. So right here, right here, a little bit more right here. Definitely on my forehead. Right here and here. Once I add some powder, it's gonna look way better, and then the blush too. The next powder I'm gonna use is right here, and I'm gonna just put this underneath my eye. I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this powder. I just put it also underneath my eyes to kind of brighten it up. With every breath I'm sinking, and no way to describe it. I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you. Okay. Now we're just gonna blend everything out with this brush, just so it won't be so cakey and like too much powder. Shouldn't surprise you. I'm gonna use one of my eyeshadow palettes for my blush. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so let's add the blush. And then add some on my nose too. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Blend all that out right now. Bruh, I hate when it does this like little patch thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really annoying. If you guys know how to fix that, let me know, because it'll be really helpful. Add some loose powder. This is the one I use. And we're just gonna put it underneath my eyes. Like that. I'm gonna add some highlighter. Add it right here. Some right here. Right here. And right here. Oh, it's upside down. I'm gonna use mascara, and then I'm gonna use this eyelash curler.
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby.
Okay, so this is the final look. I did add a little bit of eyeliner right here, but yeah, thank you guys for watching.
I lost you, babe. Picking up a penny with a press on this.